You are 70 years old. You can no longer hunt. You can no longer run. In almost every other species on Earth, that makes you worthless. A salmon that stops reproducing dies within days. An elephant matriarch who can't keep pace with the herd gets left behind. Nature is not sentimental about uselessness, so why didn't humans follow the same rule? Here's the strange part. Humans are one of the only species on the planet where individuals routinely live for decades after they stop reproducing. Killer whales do it. Humans do it. Almost nobody else does. And evolution doesn't usually keep things around for free. So what were old people actually doing? The answer is uncomfortable for how obvious it sounds once you hear it. They were the only ones who remembered things, not sentimentally, functionally. Before writing existed, the only hard drive available to a human community was a human brain that had survived long enough to fill up. Think about what that meant in practice. A grandmother who had lived through one severe drought decades earlier was the only person alive who knew which roots stayed edible when everything else died. An elder who had once watched a relative survive a snakebite knew which plant to chew into a paste. This wasn't folklore, it was the only accumulated dataset a Stone Age group had access to. They were behaving like an external memory system for the entire group, a backup copy of survival knowledge that no single younger person could carry alone. Which raises an unsettling thought. Every elder who died without passing on what they knew took an entire library down with them. No copies. No backups. Just gone. That single fact may explain something we rarely think about. Why humans evolved to feel grief, reverence, and obligation toward the old, not just affection toward the young. Survival ran in both directions. We still live inside that inheritance. Every story passed down, every "this is how it's always been done," every grandparent's warning that turns out to be right. That's 300,000 years of evolutionary memory, still quietly doing its job.